Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of OData Services. So I am getting this request from most of my candidates that sir I am not able to test your the OData service from the browser itself. So what is the problem behind it? So let's take an example so that we can understand the situation. So I'll just take the sample OData service given by SAP. I'll search for it and this is the one. Let's just get back to the gateway client to test it. So internally you can see it is working perfectly fine. No problem we have got, right? We can use it and we can also check the JSON format if I want. So execute. It's perfectly fine. So now how I am going to test it from the browser. So to understand the situation, if you want to test this from the browser itself, then you need to check that host files has been configured for your server or not. So first of all, just go and check /o smicm. Yes, and here you can come here, go to and services, and you can check your port number. Here you see http port number is 8023 and this is the host name, correct? So just copy the host name and let's just go and check it from the browser. Check it here, http. Okay, and I will just paste here this. So I'll copy, control Y, and paste it. Okay, you see here. After that you can use the port number which is 8023. So colon and just put here the port number 8023 and press enter. If you are getting this logo of SAP, it simply means that your host files has been configured. Or if you are getting an information that it is not able to reach, then it is not configured. How you can check it? So for that, you can just open your file, go back to your C drive here and go to Windows. And here in the Windows, scroll down and check your system 32. Under it, scroll down and go to your drivers file. So just search for it, DDD. Here it is, drivers. You can go to the etc file and there you will see the host file will be there. Yes, we don't have any extension here, so you can just double click. It will be, or try to open it in notepad, and in the below section you must see that this must be configured in the same way as we are testing. As for HANA 2022, this is of my server, so you just check it here, as for HANA 2023.sapdemo.com. So it must be configured here. Yeah, you see dot .sap demo.com here. So this thing must be added in your system. If it is not added, you just add it in the same way as it is, this line. Yes, if you are using my server, if you are using your own company server, you can test it from the T code and just add it up. Okay, after that you must save it. So what I'm going to do here, let's say I just make any changes, I'll just try to, this is my host file and you can simply add it up. Okay, so suppose I'm adding one more here, let's say just try to add it once again. Same thing I'm just adding to show you. This is how you can add, and then we can just get back here, add it and just save it. So file, and I will just go save as and then go to the downloads and I will put it here for now. Then if I get back to the download section, it will be there here, hosts. You can see it will be in .txt format. So open it in the extensions file. So it's a file name extension also, this one. Okay, let me just open it. So it's file name extension also, and I will rename it and remove this txt file. Yes, it might become unstable. Now it is ready. You can just cut it and you can get back to the same file here. So Windows, here you can go back to system 32 and drivers, etc, and here you can simply come and replace it. Just replace it. Since I have already it is done, so I'm not changing, but you will do it. Now once it is done, if you will get back to your browser and if you will try to check, in that case you will start getting this logo. And once it is done, now you can start testing your service. So I will just copy this and let's get back and check here. I'll just, after this I'm just going to put it here and enter. It will ask for your SAP GUI credential. So enter your SAP GUI credential and bam, you see I'm able to check my OData services on the browser. You can check the XML with all the metadata and all. Okay. So thank you very much. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button for more learning like this one. Also, if you are interested in some advanced courses, you can click on the membership and check their join button. If you need server for practice, in the comment section and description, you will be finding the WhatsApp number. You can connect for the details. So thank you. Bye bye.